What's up guys, it's Liz back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing another package from Nike.com. This package is, I think, some button-ups from Hurley. Um, Hurley and Nike are doing some things that I'm like, yes, I need it, bro. Like, they're like coming out with new things and they're collaborating and I'm like just enjoying it, bro. There you go, that's one of them. Two button-up shirts, you can see. Inside they gave me some of these. Receipt. I'll throw that over there. Throw the box away. So you can see, you got this in white and like a dark blue. Um, Simple, dress up, button-ups. There you go. Hurley, large, tag, another tag. Show you the other one. Hurley, 3M. This is 3M. Just saying. The other tag. Their tag. Hurley right there again. But yeah, as I was saying, they're just making new things that I'm really enjoying. I really like because I've never been into Hurley, the brand Hurley, until now since Nike bought Hurley. But yeah, that's so simple. In the middle, they got some paper thing. Simple button up. Pretty soft actually, really soft. I like it. So it's short sleeve. It's cut off. You get blue buttons. This is 3M as I told you guys. See if we can get it. That's 3M. Really nice, really nice, really soft, long. Show you guys the tag. Usually how much they cost, $45. I couldn't pass. They look really nice. I'm like, why not? Like, here, simple, the same thing. You got white or cream buttons. Large Hurley. So you got time for this one's the same thing. 45. I really like these. These are really nice. They're really soft. Long too, so that's pretty good. The back is simple, just the button ups, man. They can change their appearance a lot, and they can make people think about you differently too. Like, for example, some people might think you're rich because you're wearing button ups. I don't know, because they cost way more than regular t-shirts, sweaters, and all that. They cost a pretty good penny, bro. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. These were pretty nice. Really like them. That's the white one. That's the blue one. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Peace.